What is up, you guys? Hope that you guys are having a great day. Hope that you guys are feeling blessed and encouraged. If you love the content and you love the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe on the channel. And, or not the channel, hit the like and subscribe on the video and hit the bell notification. And subscribe down to the channel so you don't miss any new videos that come up to the channel, any new uploads that come up to the channel. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Hope that you guys enjoyed the content. I got some chest and tries in there, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that. And of course, I tried to, I was very surprised about I'm very surprised about today. So I'll say this, from personal experience, I've never been able to balance multiple things at once. So if you don't know me, I work 2 jobs and do YouTube at the exact same time. So I'm working 2 jobs as I'm filming content, as I do all these things, as I post. And I'm also going to school, to get my media marketing, my social media marketing. I'm doing Grant Cardone's 10X marketing system. So I'm studying that. And of course, I'm also wanting to get a certification in like some sort of like autism behavioral certification or something like that. I was looking it up a couple days ago, and very interesting stuff. And honestly, I would want to start my own organization. That's exactly how I would want to start, is starting my own organization. Privately owned, privately funded, and privately sourced. It's not that I don't like working with people. It's not that I don't want to. It's the fact of the skills and work that I'm going to be able to produce is going to be something that no one can buy. Does that make sense? None of what I do will have a cheap price tag on it, because I take value in what I do. I take value in what I've learned, and I take value in what I give and what I provide to the table. So I hope that you guys enjoy the content as I give it to you, because I'm doing the best I can with the amount of time that I have. So I appreciate all the support, guys. I appreciate all of the love and the interactions and the conversations, you guys. So excuse me. But I wanted to today. I wanted to ask, do we understand? Like, I know I've asked this before, but like, do we understand what's going on? Like, do we understand truly what's going on? Of when physically here, we're not. This is not our final destination. If that makes sense, you know what I mean? This is not our final destination. Of course, everybody knows this. But I don't think people quite understand that this is not our final destination, nor is it our dwelling place. Like, this is Satan's dwelling place. All right? So, like, what we have to figure out, or what we have to understand here, is that when we think of here, earth, this is Satan's dwelling place. This is where he is going to rule when Jesus takes the church, when it's all over. When it's all over and Jesus comes back, he's going to take the church with him. He's going to take the church up with him. But then he's going to he's also going to lift his spirit, the power of his spirit, off this earth. So that means his spirit is not going to be able to protect us from Satan and his minions. So it'll be free reign for Satan and his minions. So we have to understand the fact that we have to think from a different perspective. We have to have a kingdom perspective. We have to have a kingdom mindset when it comes to our individual selves, when it comes to development, when it comes to growth, when it comes to church, when it comes to relationships, right? So we have to have that mindset of, everything here on earth it's not coming with us when we go to heaven. Amen. So it's something that we should be thinking about. And I want to ask y'all, what perspective do you come from when you navigate through life? All right. It's something that we should be thinking about. How do we navigate through this life? What tools, what strategies, how do we maneuver through this life without letting go of our morals and values, and how do we maneuver through it, you know, without being led astray. So it's something that we should be thinking about, you guys. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. If you guys haven't already, again, leave a like and comment on the video, and of course subscribe down to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos that we have for you guys here on the channel. Of course, we have daily devotions at 9 a.m. and of course 11 a.m. vlogs, so go check it out. Links will be in the description. Go check it out. Hope that you guys have a great day. God bless you guys. Peace.